In this video, I will be doing a Dabi makeup tutorial from My Hero Academia, and be sure that before you begin that you test and see if you are allergic to liquid latex. Also, be sure to have a basic makeup on before starting. I hope you all enjoy the video. So, what you'll be needing is some liquid latex, and you're going to pour it on a plate. I don't have any paper plates, so this glass one will have to do. And you're also going to be needing a triangle-shaped sponge. Now, you're going to dab on a thin layer, and make sure you stretch out your face to make sure you stretch out your face so you get all those wrinkles that you need. Now, whenever you're done drying, or waiting for it to dry, I'm going to use a blow dryer to speed up the process. And if you do this, please use a low heat setting. Once your liquid latex is done drying, you're gonna add or use some the Ben Nye bruise wheel, and you're gonna be using this color right here with a loose bristle brush, and you're gonna brush it on. Once you are done with the base color, you are going to be using this color to add in some texture so you just don't look like a big purple blob. When you add it, you're going to try to add it along your chin line so that it will stand out, and just to give it some overall texture. And you're gonna add it where you see fit. Now for this part is time to add the staples. Now I'm gonna be using actual staples, and I'm gonna dip each end in a little bit of latex so that they are able to stick. Once you're done with your face, you can start around the neckline. When you're done with about everything, you're going to add a little bit of blue eyeshadow around the scarring to give it a more bruised effect. So once you're done with that, you are going to repeat the same process on your hands, but I'm probably not going to go any further than the wrist because I will be having a jacket on and there will be no need to do my arm. So let's get started. And this is what I have so far. And now, time to add the staples. The tricky part is trying to keep the staples to stick on and keep them from falling off. And there we go. Now time to add the shading. Be sure to take your time so you don't make a big mess or that you don't end up making a mistake that's irreversible. And there we go. I might have added a little too much. Let's try to clean some of that up. That's a bit better. Alright, and there you have it. And the one thing before you forget is setting spray to make sure that everything stays in place. And that you don't get it all over your clothes. Because I already have a stain somewhere. Let's see. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like and please subscribe to support for more future cosplay tutorials. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.